So after the plastic welding didn't work, we're going to fiberglass from the back of the bumper to create a firm support for the fiberglass for the body filler on the front. I have plastic gloves, stipple brush, measured out 100 mil of resin, pre-cut fiberglass matting, and the hardener. And that chicken's getting on my nerves now. I've also roughly sanded the back of here so that it's got a something to bond onto. But I'll give it another little going over with some 80 grit just to make sure that it's clean, and also going to make a good bond to the back of the bumper. And then I'm going to leave it while I get on with some other bits for it to dry and set, and then come back to it later on. So enjoy the video. While that fiberglass is drying, just to start off with, just because I'm just going to start this little bit section off here, I'm going to go over this little bit of damage here and get that back down, because it seems that it's been sprayed over, probably touching up when the other bit was done. Going to flat that down with some 80 grit just to take out some of these stone chips and try and smooth this bit off a little bit more, and then leave the fiberglass section just there to dry while I get on with some other bits out of the workshop. Rub down, that'll do for now, because I'm not going to fiddle around with it too much while the fiberglass is still setting. It's not actually moved during the sanding process, so the fiberglass hasn't been compromised in any way. So I'm going to leave it now, probably an hour, 2 hours, see how it goes, come back, check it, and when it's dry, I'll log back on. So catch you in a little while. Bye bye. So I'm back again, and it's quite warm outside, so that might be a little bit redder than usual, but got a new product come in fresh from eBay. Big Boy plastic flexi filler, specifically designed for plastic bumpers. So never used the product before, but we'll see how it goes. This was very quick. It's started to go off on the onion board already, going all globby and horrible. So this it's going off as we speak. Excess bits here, we can see that it's just peeling away. It's going to that rubbery kind of texture. Where we can take off some of the excess that we know we're not going to need, and then we let that flash off and dry, and rub it down and see what we've got.